Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at 2026, the first annual 2026 What the Huck? And we've got ourselves a fantastic looking Flex Innovations RV. They are great flyers, folks. Very light, and I mean, you'd be amazed how slow you can fly when you're doing 3D, and this is a great looking plane. So folks, sit back, relax. Tray table's in the upright position. Captain is torn on the no smoking sign. Please put your phones on airplane mode and enjoy the flight. If you're looking to get into 3D, Flex Innovations is a great way. They've got, wood built planes. They've got foam. They've got EDF jets that are 3D capable. They really have it all. And I think they do sell a plug-and-play F-16 turbine. So if you're a turbine guy, you'll absolutely love them. All right, folks, here we go. For those that are watching, and if you're looking for a great RV, maybe you don't want something quite this big, they do have a smaller foam version of it as well. Here we go. Folks, you can see what I'm talking about. Look how slow he's flying right now. Crazy, isn't it? Very docile plane before you open it up, and she just goes to town. Fully 3D capable, too. So if you're a guy who's looking for a mix of both, you got it. But if you're just someone who just likes to fly scale, you got that as well. When I say mix of both, I mean scale and extreme 3D.
Folks, if you're thinking about getting into RC, you're really liking the video,
There are a lot of great beginner aircraft out there. There's the Apprentice and some other ones as well. Oops, right, look at that. Okay. There's the Apprentice. There's FMS has some great ones. I think it's called the Sky Ranger, if I'm correct. And a couple others as well that are out there. Even some Flight Test is great, where all the planes are made out of foam board. And if you crash them, you don't feel so bad. But we do have them here on the channel. Feel free to go ahead and click on the products. You'll be able to get what you want and support the channel at the same time. But if you're an intermediate or advanced flyer, we've got a bunch of E-Flight stuff on the channel as well. So check it out. I think you'll really like it. And if you love EDF jets, we've got them here as well. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Look at that. What a great flyer. Oh, going back up. Yes, no, maybe so. Give me slow and sexy. That was Huck and Fun, folks. Huck and Fun butter. That's Huck and Fun butter right there, everybody. All right, friends. More to come.